Hi, welcome on this masterclass for Pareto analysis using Lumira 1.29. My name is Iver van Zand. I work for SAP Business Analytics. I'm using Lumira 1.29 for a specific purpose. Lumira 1.29 has some new embedded calculations that make life easy creating Pareto analysis. So what I have is I have a data set with orders per date, per country, per product group, and I have in terms of metrics order quantity and price. And so let us first start with creating a metric for the revenue, which is quantity times price. Here we go. And I can now create a simple visualization saying I want to have a look at the revenue per order, and to do so I'd like to have a look at it in descending order. So the idea what I want to do is I want to add the running sum for revenue, and later on we are going to have a look at the running sum for the number of orders to put these two views over each other and see the Pareto. So the first thing I do is create a running calculation for the revenue. So you see over here I have more options. So let me go in step number one, and I'm going to create a running sum for the revenue, which you see right now. So let me go in crosstab mode, then it's easier for you to follow. And the next calculation that I create is that I create a calculation percentage of, and I'd like to see I'm going to use my running sum, and I'm going to create the percentage of the total revenue. That's the next step. So over here you see from the running sum each time the percentage of the total revenue. And for my Pareto, I again using that one and creating a running sum of that for the percentage, so it can add up to 100%. So I'll take this one, this one, and I say running sum. And over here you see now that it now counts up till 100%. That's section one of the elements that I need. The next step is of course to compare it to orders. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a counter on the orders, and I take the order number, and we basically go through the same steps. So I'm going to create a running sum of the orders, so that these add up. You see them adding up, so I have in total 36 orders. And I'm now going to create a calculation percentage of the grand total. And again, my last step is that I create of that percentage a running sum of the percentage, which now also adds up to 100%. Here you go. So I have now the running percentage revenue adding up to 100%, and I have done for the number of orders, and I can now start creating my visualization. So here you go. So I have both metrics now, and I'm ready to do the Pareto analysis. One additional metric I like to use, and it is that I more or less subtract this one from that one to show a difference, which highlights the Pareto better. So I make a custom calculation, and you see right now this is way better than in the past. You now have all your already available custom calculations available for you to create another one. So I get the difference of running sums, and what I do is I just take the running sum percentage for the revenue, and I subtract the wording sum percentage of the order numbers. Here you go, and now you can exactly see, so the wording sum for the revenue is 0.57, for the order numbers is 0.15, and the difference is this one. So I'm going to use those three in my visualization. So let me create a visualization right now. I use one with two y-axes, and I use this one over. I keep this one over here. Simply remove the ones that I don't use anymore. And here you go, here's your Pareto analysis with a difference line. Perfectly done in Lumira in a few steps. Many thanks for your attention.